What if I told you that your investments could out-earn your salary? Yes, you heard that right. And here's the crazy part. It's not as complicated as you think. Stick with me for a few minutes and I'll show you the exact steps to unlock this powerful secret. Over the last 5 years, since I started sharing my knowledge with the world publicly, I have built a portfolio exceeding 100,000 euros, consulted over 500 clients, and helped people to invest more than 15 million euros. I'm here to share what really works. Let's start with some proof. Imagine you're 22 years old, just starting your career and earning a take-home salary of 1,500 euros per month. Over the next 43 years, assuming you work consistently until age 65, your total earnings from your salary would amount to approximately 774,000 euros after taxes. Now let's compare different scenarios, as all of us live in different countries and earn different sums. If your monthly take-home salary is 700 euros, your lifetime earning would be around 361,000. At 4,000 per month, you earn just over 2 million over the same period. But what if in each case you invested, let's say 10% of your salary into a simple S&P 500 ETF with a historical average annual return of 10%? 700 a month investing 70 euros monthly would grow to around 532,000 by age 65. At 1,500 a month investing 150 monthly would grow to over 1.14 million. At 4,000 a month investing 400 euros could build a portfolio exceeding 3 million euros. So let's compare this. Earning 700 a month, lifetime earnings 361,200 euros, investments 532,000. Earning 1,500 a month, a lifetime earnings around 774,000, investments 1.14 million. Earning 4,000 a month, lifetime earnings 2.06 million, investments over 3 million. Conclusion: regardless of your salary, if you invest, your investments will beat it. This is the power of compounding. Your earnings generate more earnings, creating a snowball effect that accelerates over time. These figures exclude inflation for simplicity, but even accounting for inflation, the growth potential of investments remains significantly higher, as your salary normally grows alongside or even faster than inflation. Now, some of you may say, I don't want to wait for 43 years, or I don't have that long. Well, you can definitely invest more than 10%, and that will accelerate the speed of your compound money machine. For others who think that small sums do nothing, let me show you one of the portfolios I started a little bit over 2 years ago. I invested 1,000 euros initially and added 100 euros each month since. And the current growth speaks for itself. There's only one position, which is 98.48%. And the growth is 36%. Literally takes me 2 minutes a month to manage this portfolio. You can see there's only one position, which is S&P 500 ETF. And you also have over nearly 500 subscribers who follow this portfolio and who see that each month I simply invest in the same thing again and again and again. So you see that December, November, and October, September, so on and so on. Each month, just buy, hold, and see what happens in a very long time. As I mentioned, you can follow the portfolio online for free through the links in the description if you want to, but I simply buy the same position each month. Now, how can you do it yourself? Simple 3 steps. First one, open a brokerage account. Make sure it's licensed and regulated and that the assets belong to you. I'll create more videos about how to check for that in the future. Second step is set up automatic top-ups. Don't top up your account by card. This is usually an expensive option, usually charges around 2%. Use a bank transfer, which is normally completely free, and automate the desired sum as a transfer to your investment each month. And number 3, pick an ETF that makes sense to you. A couple of options to consider: SPYL, the cheapest S&P 500 ETF in Europe, and VWCE, one of the most diversified options out there, also available in Europe. I'll create more videos reviewing these choices, but both are valid for initial review to see if they fit your strategy and your goals. There's actually a great website, which is completely for free, absolutely not affiliated, www.justetf.com, which allows you to check European ETFs in details for free. All the KIDs, all the fact sheets, all the returns, all the dividends, everything in one place, and in very visual, so super helpful. Now let me leave you with this. The journey to financial freedom starts with small, consistent steps. Whether you're investing 50 euros or 500 euros a month, the key is to start now. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this now. And let's grow together and make our money work for us. See you next time.